Hello, welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. My name is Dwayne Diggs. Today we're going to be taking a look at all new Grady-White 215 Freedom. This 215 is just like all other Grady-Whites and CB2 hull, which is by far, in my opinion, the softest riding hull on the market. As we walk back to the back, you can see that this boat has a stainless steel insert, beautiful blue coloring on the sides, with the classic Grady-White color at top. On the back, this boat is outfitted with a 200 Yamaha, top speed of 43 miles an hour. Your sweet spot somewhere around about 23 miles an hour. Let's pop aboard and take a look inside. All right, we're inside of this 215 Grady-White. Here's at the helm, it has a nice captain's chair. You have tilt steering, the new Yamaha gauge. All of your gauges are right here in front of you, easy to get to. The trim tab system. And of course, we can put electronics on it to order. Your head's on this side, which is very spacious. Radio here. And everywhere there's a seat in a Grady-White, you're going to find a handle and a cup holder. As you walk to the front of this boat, you can see the beautiful seats up front, how spacious it is. And again, everywhere there's a seat, there's a handle, there are cup holders. And for a full viewing of this boat and any of our other Grady-Whites, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, MarineMax Gulf Shores.